taking and blowing candle. Ready? 1, 2, 3, and blow!
Happy birthday!
Ay, pakipatay niya.
Blow, blow, asan blow? Blow! Kuya yung kamay mo!
Yay! Palakpakan!
Isa pa, isa pa!
One more.
Blow na, baby!
Yay! At